Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Michelle. Today's video is all about luxe for less or chic for cheap. So grab your cup of coffee or your favorite beverage and join me. This video is part of the Chic for Cheap Craft Challenge hosted by Christy Creates and the Crafty Quinn. I will link both of their channels as well as the playlist in the description box below. I also wanted to extend a very warm welcome and hello to all of my subscribers. I'm so happy you're here today, and I hope that you had a great Easter. And for those of you newbies, I wanted to extend a warm welcome, and I hope you like what you see today. I found these wire cloches on overstock.com for well over $50, and I knew that I could replicate them for much cheaper. For this DIY, you will need wired baskets from the Dollar Tree, 2 sink strainers, a splatter guard, wire snips, and spray paint of choice. I chose to use flat black, primer gray, and metallic silver. Using wire snips or gardening shears, like I'm going to use, we're going to clip off the very bottom of the waste basket. Now, using our wire, we're going to essentially make a running stitch along the cut edge of the basket. Here I am just attaching the first end so I don't accidentally pull it all the way through. I cut about 2 feet of wire. If you are enjoying what you're seeing, I hope that you will consider subscribing to my channel. I typically put out 1 video a week about pretty much anything DIY or home related. I got the idea for creating this cloche dome from Jerry Ann Henson and from DIY Karam. I will link both of their channels in the description box below. Once the dome is pulled as closed as you can get it, we're going to use our fist to shape it. Now I'm going to put the newly cut end of the wire through one of the holes and pull it through, and then twist and do it one more time to finish it off. Now we will need the 2 sink strainers to make the topper. From the second sink strainer, we will only need this rubber gasket. Place the flat side up against the top of the dome and then press the plug handle through that second gasket. Now for our taller basket, we will do the same thing by cutting off the bottom of the waste basket, as well as the bottom of this mini basket. We will then combine them by putting the top of the mini basket to the cut end of the waste basket. And I did this the same way with the wire going in and out, and I closed it off the exact same way. For this topper, we will only be using the handle of the splatter screen. To make it fit more snugly at the top of the dome, we are going to make an essential washer out of this cardboard from the splatter screen label. Using the screw it came with, we're going to attach it to the dome. I hope you have enjoyed spending this time with me as much as I have enjoyed spending it with you, and until I see you in the next video, take care.